Hello, my name is Răzvan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make 3D origami pieces faster. This is a rectangular of paper, normal printer paper, and the size is 1:16, the dimension 74 millimeters by 52, and first I will make a 3D origami piece in the normal speed, in the normal way I show you in the previous video. I fold once like this, first step. The second step, we make this fold in half. Now we bring this part to the middle line, like this. Turn and bring the other part in this way. Now we fold this small corner of the paper, and then we bring this part over this line here. And now we fold in two. We use 5-6 pieces connected in a row. Put the edges in the pocket, push, and then with our finger we give a very nice round shape. Now I will show you how to make these 3D origami pieces faster. First step, in the same way, we fold in two. And now we will skip the second step where we make this fold. And now we put our finger as best as we can in the middle of the rectangle of paper, and then we fold like this. We turn the paper and repeat in the other part. And now we will fold the small corner and bring all this paper here over this line. And we obtain this triangle. Fold in half and our piece is finished. We will give a very nice round shape, and this is the way to make 3D origami pieces faster. If you like my videos, please subscribe, rate, make comments, and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.